All right, folks, today we're on the beautiful Saint Charles Avenue looking at 4007 Saint Charles, Unit 115. It's offered at $275,000. We've got 2 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. The HOA fee is only $335 per month, and that's going to include your water. There's a pool inside. I'll show you all of that. We've got about 950 square feet. All right, let's go see the unit. All right, so here we are inside. This is the communal courtyard with the pool, which is absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful day in New Orleans. What more could you ask for? Our unit is in the back by the off-street parking, which is convenient. Here is that parking I was telling you about. Here's our unit, Unit 115. I love the floors in here. Great to see some real wood. This is our living area here. I like how they have this open air between the kitchen and the living area. That's very good. And then our formal dining room with those floor-to-ceiling mirrors. That's good. It makes the room feel larger. Here's a better look at that kitchen. This is a strong homeowners association here with great reserves. If you have any questions about how the condo association is operated, just let us know. That was our full bathroom, and then here is bedroom number 1. And you can see more parking back there. Now I'll take us through. This is the half bathroom. And then our master bedroom. So 940 square feet. It's in excellent move-in ready condition. And it's just awesome to be able to get onto Saint Charles Avenue for only $275,000. If you should have any questions about the unit or would like to schedule a tour, please feel free to call Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004 or comment below the video. This is Jacob with Chris Smith's office, signing off. Thanks for watching.